Hello, my English warriors. Good evening. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, doing fantastic, enjoying your Sunday, enjoying holiday. So, my name is Shwani Gupta. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Goodbye, English. Hello, English. So, today, what we are going to do in this session, can you guys imagine? Like, today, we are not going to do the sentences, of course, we are going to do something different. What we are going to do is we will gonna brush up on our vocabulary together. Whatever vocabulary I have I've shared you with so far, I've shared with you so far, like the words in this video, I'm going to compile them in just this video. Okay, so today I will share some like 12 or 11 vocabulary words along with the sentences, so that we can brush up on the vocabulary words, so that it will we can be able to create sentences, we can be able to frame sentences by those words, and we can be able to use them in our day-to-day conversation. So let's get started without wasting of further. Okay, so the first word is tenacious. Tenacious, it means holding on firmly, determined and persistent. मतलब जो बिल्कुल डिटर्मिंड है, परसिस्टेंट है, मतलब ज़िद्दी है, जो हार नहीं मानता, टेनेशियस है, दृढ़ निश्चय उसका कि उसको करना ही है कोई काम. If someone has decided that I will do this, then that means he or she is a tenacious person. Sentences are: she is a tenacious student who never gives up on her dreams. She is a tenacious student who never gives up on her dreams. Are you a tenacious student who never gives up on your spoken English dream? If you are, then please let me know in the comment section. Next is, he held on his goals with a tenacious spirit. Next is, he held on to his goals with a tenacious spirit. उसने अपने लक्ष्यों को दृढ़ता से पकड़े रखा. He held on to his goals with a tenacious spirit. Okay, this is the first word of this video. Second word is bumptious. Bumptious. The pronunciation is bumptious. It means proud or self-assertive in an irritating or arrogant way. Proud or self-assertive in an irritating and arrogant way. मतलब घमंडी है, अहंकारी है, जो खुद को ही बड़ा समझता है, किसी और की नहीं सुनता, उसके सामने सब पानी कम है, वही मतलब होता है ना अकेला, वही अकेली इंटेलिजेंट टाइप है, वही अकेला स्मार्ट है. Okay, sentences are: the bumptious boy kept boasting about his achievements. The bumptious boy kept boasting about his achievement. Boasting मतलब बेटा डिंगे हाँकना. कोई होता है ना अपने ग्रुप में, फ्रेंड सर्किल में होता है, who always keeps boasting about the things. So bumptious जो लड़का था, घमंडी जो लड़का, तो हमेशा अपनी उपलब्धियों के बारे में डिंगे मारता था, मतलब फेंकता रहता था, कुछ भी फैकोलॉजी करता था. नेक्स्ट इज, people avoid him because of his bumptious attitude. People avoid him because of his bumptious attitude. लोग उससे इसलिए दूरी बनाते थे क्योंकि वो बम्शियस था, उसका एटीट्यूड बम्शियस वाला था, वो सुनता ही नहीं था किसी और की, अपने आप को वो समझता था कि वही एक इंटेलिजेंट रह गया. तो why would people go close to him and be friend with him? Nobody will wants to be a friend of somebody who is bumptious kind of person. Are you? If you wanna be friend with the bumptious kind of person, please let me know in the comment section. Okay guys. Next word is wanton. Wanton, meaning deliberate and unprovoked, often used for cruel or reckless behavior. Deliberate and unprovoked, often used for cruel or reckless behavior. मतलब ऐसा अनावश्यक, उत्तेजक या निर्दय, बिना किसी वजह किया जाने वाला काम. फालतू की वो मारधाड़ होती है, तोड़फोड़ होती है ना, बिना किसी पर्पस के, कोई पर्पस ही नहीं है. Examples are: the movie showed scenes of wanton violence. The movie showed scenes of wanton violence. उस फिल्म में बिना वजह की हिंसा दिखाई गई थी. Have you seen a movie till now which has wanton violence? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Okay. Next is, his wanton behavior hurt many people. His wanton behavior hurt many people. उसके लापरवाह और निर्दयी बिहेवियर से कई लोग आहत हुए, मतलब कई लोगों को बहुत बुरा लगा, हर्ट हो गए वो. ऐसा wanton behavior था उसका, लापरवाह, एकदम बेमतलब का सा. नोट क्या है बेटा, एक स्पेशल नोट है इस wanton वर्ड को लेकर. Wanton is often used for negative, careless or cruel action. Wanton is often used for negative, careless or cruel action done without any reason. कोई पर्पस नहीं होता, केयरलेसली और क्रूअलनेस में ऐसे एक्शन होते हैं बेमतलब के, ठीक है, पर्पस नहीं है इनका, विदाउट रीज़न. I just hope that you guys are not bored with me. You guys are listening to me. If you are listening to me, please hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Please, guys, could you please subscribe to my channel? Could you please do it? Okay, let's move to the next word. Cognizant. Today I have shared the shots of this cognizant word. It's a crucial word, beta. Even I was not even aware about this word. If you are aware about this one, then please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so it means aware or conscious of something. Aware or conscious of something. Wow, such an amazing word, such a wonderful word. हिंदी में जागरूक या सचेत होता है ना, हम तो हमेशा कॉशियस, बी अवेयर, वॉच इट, यही बोलते हैं, बट कॉग्निजेंट समथिंग डिफरेंट. Like till now I was had this idea that this is a company name only, like an MNC company called Cognizant. So I was I had this idea that it's just a company name, and why would it would be a word, but it came out to be completely different. It's a word bit actually. It means कि जागरूक होना, aware होना. Sentences are, we should be cognizant of our responsibilities. We should be cognizant of our responsibilities. Next is, she is fully cognizant of the risk involved. She is fully cognizant of the risk involved. वो उसको पूरी तरीके से ना वो जोखिमों के बारे में सचेत थी. उसको पता था क्या जोखिम है, क्या इस प्रोजेक्ट में क्या हर्डल्स आने वाले हैं. She was fully cognizant of the risk involved. ठीक है. Next word is onus. Onus means responsibility, duty, liability. आपकी जिम्मेदारी है, आप पे एक बर्डन है, आपका भार है, आपको वो काम करना है, हमें वो काम करना है. ओके, like our onus is to study hard, our onus is to be successful, our onus is to be like make our parents proud, isn't it? Next is, the onus is, sentences are, the onus is on you to complete the task on time. The onus is on you to complete the task on time. बॉस कहता है ना कंपनीज में, टीचर कहती है ना स्कूल में कि आपकी जिम्मेदारी है इस टास्क को करना ही है पूरा विद इन द टाइम लिमिट. सो द ओनस इज ऑन यू टू कंप्लीट द टास्क ऑन टाइम. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज, ही टुक द ओनस ऑफ केयरिंग. He took the onus of caring for his family. He took the onus of caring for his family. उसने अपने परिवार की देखभाल की जिम्मेदारी ली. He took the onus of caring for his family. My brother took the onus of caring for his family. Okay. Next one is malicious. Malicious. That means intending to harm or hurt others, showing ill will. Intending to harm others or showing ill will. मतलब शरारती या बुरा चाहने वाला, नेगेटिव, दुर्भावना पूर्ण होता है ना, मतलब अंदर से अपन वो चीज़ चाह नहीं रहे हैं, खुश नहीं है किसी को देख करके, और कुछ भी गंदा वंदा बोल रहे हैं बस खाली. ओके, सो दीज आर द मलिशियस कॉमेंट, दीज आर द मलिशियसनेस ऑफ अ पर्सन. ओके, सेंटेंसेस आर, ही स्प्रेड मलिशियस रूमर्स अबाउट हिज कलीग. ही स्प्रेड मलिशियस रूमर अबाउट हिज कलीग. उसने अपने सहकर्मी, अपने कलीग के बारे में कुछ भी बातें बोल दी बिना कुछ सोचे समझे. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज, हर मलिशियस स्माइल मेड एवरीवन अनकंफर्टेबल. हर मलिशियस स्माइल मेड एवरीवन अनकंफर्टेबल. मतलब ऐसी हंसी ना, मतलब ऐसे सरकास्टिक वे में कि उससे सबको लगा कि ये हंस भी रही है, सीरियसली हंस रही है, या फिर ऐसे मतलब प्रिटेंड कर रही है. सो नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज लेबाइल. लेबाइल. So it means easily changed or unstable, especially in emotions or chemistry. Easily changed or unstable, especially in emotions or chemistry. मतलब ऐसा अस्थिर और जल्दी से बदलने वाला, चंचल kind of, you can say. Examples are, her mood is labile or labile. She laughs one moment and cries the next. Her mood is labile. She laughs one moment and cries the next. Next is, the chemical is labile and must be handled with care. The chemical is labile and must be handled with care. Otherwise, it will gonna harm somebody. So the chemical is labile. Please handle it with care. The next word is, I hope, I'm just requesting you please guys, could you please subscribe to my channel, could you please like this video, could you please share it with your friends, with whomsoever you want to share it, please do so guys. I'm just requesting you again and again, please do it guys. Okay, next one is, and I hope just you are enjoying this video so far. If you are enjoying, because these are the I would say wonderful, amazing, seriously adorable words that I'm sharing with you, that we are learning right now, isn't it? If it's not, then please let me know in the comment section that these are the words which we have already known and these are not the special one. Why would we use these kind of words? Nobody uses these kind of words. If is it so, if that's the case with you, please let me know in the comment section guys. Okay, so ambience means beta the atmosphere or mood of a place. The atmosphere or a mood of a place, मतलब जगह का वातावरण कैसा है, जगह का मतलब एरिया, माहौल कैसा है, बेसिकली माहौल देखना है आपको तो, ठीक है. एग्जाम्पल्स आर द रेस्टोरेंट हैज़ अ रोमांटिक एम्बियंस. So the example is, the restaurant has a romantic ambience. Next is soft music added to the peaceful ambience. Soft music added to the peaceful ambience. धीमी संगीत ने शांत वातावरण में और भी सुंदरता जोड़ती है. मतलब होता है ना, म्यूजिक है प्लस प्लेस इतना एम्बियंस है, पीसफुल रहते हैं, तो म्यूजिक तो ऐड करेगा ना पीसफुल बेटा ambience. So the soft music added to the peaceful ambience. Next word is candid. Candid beta honest, open and straightforward. Honest, open and straightforward. Candy word से इसको learn कर सकते हो. Candid. Okay, not hiding thoughts or feeling. In even if he or she is in like a kind of situation where we can that they can hide the something, but still they are not hiding. That person is known as a candid person. Okay, so the examples are, she gave a candid reply about her experience. She gave a candid reply about her experience. Next one is, I appreciate your candid opinion. I really appreciate your candid opinion. नेक्स्ट वन इज हैंडल. हैंडल वर्ड. हैंडल मीन्स बेटा संभालना, निपटना, या फिर होता ना काबू, कुछ भी करना, काबू पाना, किसी सिचुएशन को हैंडल करना, केयरफुली हैंडल करना. इट मीन्स टू डील विद और मैनेज अ सिचुएशन, पर्सन और ऑब्जेक्ट. किसी चीज़ को भी हैंडल कर सकते हैं हैंडल. Can't you handle your spoken English? Yes, we can handle our spoken English. We are learning it right now. We know that we are working day and night to improve our English. Okay. So the sentences are, she can handle pressure very well. She can handle pressure very well. वह प्रेशर को भी हैंडल कर सकती है. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट इन प्रेशर, व्हेन प्रेशर कम्स हर देन शी वुड बी लाइक, ओ व्हाई वुड आई डू दिस वर्क, और आई एम अफ्रेड ऑफ डूइंग दिस. नो, शी कैन हैंडल द प्रेशर वेरी वेल. शी कैन हैंडल प्रेशर वेरी वेल एक्चुअली. नेक्स्ट वन इज, प्लीज़ हैंडल द ग्लास विथ केयर. प्लीज़ हैंडल द ग्लास विथ केयर. कांच का ग्लास होगा तो उसको संभालें सावधानी से. ओके. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज इनएक्सट्रिकेबल. इनएक्सट्रिकेबल, इसको आप अपने एक्सट्रीकेबल वर्ड से ध्यान रख सकते हो. एक्स वर्ड को ध्यान रखो, देन यू विल फाइंड द लाइक यू विल कनेक्ट विद दिस वर्ड. ओके. सो इट मीन्स इम्पॉसिबल टू सेपरेट और escape फ्रॉम, क्लोजली लिंक्ड. इन हिंदी इट मीन्स अटूट, अलग ना किया जा सकने वाला, और जो कि बहुत क्लोजली जुड़ा हुआ है, लिंक अप है. So the examples are, their friendship is inextricable no matter the distance. Their friendship is inextricable no matter the distance. उनकी दोस्ती अटूट है चाहे दूरी कितनी भी हो. Like is your friendship inextricable no matter the distance? If it is, then please let me know in the comment section. Okay. Next one is, emotions and memories are often inextricable. Emotion and memories are often inextricable. Yeah, I agree with this one. भावनाएं और यादें अक्सर एक दूसरे से अलग नहीं की जा सकती. Emotion and memories are often inextricable. They cannot be separated, isn't it? So these are the certain words which I have shared with you. Next part I will be sharing some other words just like this one. So thank you so much for your attention, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to me, and I'll come with another session. Till then, take care, guys. And after I will say goodbye to you. I would like to say again that please share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel as well. Could you please do it? So I'll see you in another session just like this one. Till then, take care, guys. Bye bye.